first, you on the dashboard, you click on menu, then you see the options, then go down, you see Divi. Once you click Divi, we create a Divi. Here is supposed to contain all your Divs. So you create a Divi. There are three presentations you can take, but this is when you have the image on top of the text, the heading and the subtitle. This is when you have the image on the left side. This is when you have the image on the right side. So let's for our first recording, let's use this presentation of the image on top. So now you create a title. You say, let's say this is my first Divi title. Then you create a subtitle. Not miss any of our updates, and then text. You add the text. Let's add some random text. Then you can determine the position on your home page. This slider area, product area, categories area. If you click on the slider area, you will find your Divi below your sliders. Then you click on product area, below your products list, you will find the Divi there. Then if you click on categories area, below your categories, you are going to find your Divs. If you click on testimonials, you are going to find your Divi below your testimonials. And if you click on the banner area, you are going to find your Divi below the banner area. So for now, let's use the slider area. We can add more settings. We can change the background color. We can add a background image. We can make it responsive or not. Then that means on mobile view, it is going to change because for the mobile audience, so that it will give them the best display. For now, let's just add an image. Let me see if I have an image in my. Okay, let's add this. Let's add this image. Let's add this image. So this, and then we can click on update, and we have our first Divi. Now let's check what it looks like on the site. You can just click on my site to see. Then on the live site, below the sliders, you can see this is my first Divi, and then we have this. So that's the case. It works.